Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Walmart grocery haul to share with you. We'll go over some meal planning and there'll also be a detailed meal plan in the description box below. Don't forget to check out the cards in the description box also for additional grocery links as well as in the kitchen recipes. Well, to get started, I picked up a couple of these Armor Lunchable things. They're just the pepperoni pizza. 2 packages of pepperoni, one for snacking and one for making homemade pizzas. I have some Pepperidge soft white sub or like hoagie roll things, and some hamburger buns. I'm going to make meatball subs. I'm going to also film that for you guys. Hamburger buns, gallon of milk. Got some Yo Crunch M&M vanilla yogurt. Some lightly salted chips, as well as some sour cream and onion chips. Some of this fully cooked thick cut bacon for breakfast, for bacon cheeseburgers, 12 count large egg. I did pick up a Kobe Jack block of cheese, some shredded mild cheddar. I have some bananas and a large container of strawberries. I also was super excited to find the International Delight Pumpkin Pie Spice Coffee Creamer today. And I'm going to try out this new to me coffee from Great Value in the cinnamon vanilla. I picked up 2 of these BLT salads. These are my favorite, and today they were on sale for $3 each, so I picked up 2 of those. To go with those, I picked up some of the Great Value cheese and garlic seasoned croutons, and I picked up some baking items, Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuit mix. I'm also going to make a banana pudding, and I picked up the instant pudding and pie filling in vanilla. From Betty Crocker, they had some new cake mixes and stuff, and I wanted to try the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnamon Dust Cake Mix, and I got the Cinnamon Dust frosting to go with that. I picked Connor up one of these icy slush in blue raspberry, and a 12-pack of the Oreo Nutter Butter and Chips Ahoy mini bags for school snack, and we picked up a bag of the Reese's Bats. Also for snacks, I picked up the Slim Jim 14 count original. Quick lunches and stuff, the Idaho 4 cheese mashed potatoes. 4 of the Rice-A-Roni creamy 4 cheese rices. The half-length spaghetti. Spaghetti one night. A few of these Poppin' Chicken, and 2 of the Tuna Helper, the tuna creamy broccoli one. Frozen quick fixes, a Great Value thin crust pepperoni pizza. Some Nathan's Jumbo crinkle cut french fries, go with like burgers, chicken sandwiches, whatever, just how to fix with it. And a bag of the Totino's pizza rolls in a combination. Also, for a couple quick meals, you can add rice and veggies with these or eat it by itself, whatever you choose. Add some egg rolls, but I got this orange chicken, which is delicious. And this time we also decided to try the General Tso's chicken. Picked up some Hunt's ketchup, some Prego spaghetti sauce flavored with meat, mustard, and buttermilk ranch. It's all staples. I'm going to make spaghetti one night, and I already have a jar of this to make meatball subs for another night. So like I said, detailed meal plan stuff in the description box. I'm also going to fry up some fish one night, so I got this Louisiana New Orleans style fish fry. Some veggies, some original baked beans, and a 4-pack of the Star Kissed Chunk Light Tuna. Home stretch here. The last few items are meat related meal items. I got the Great Value Homestyle meatballs for meatball subs. 3 of the ground beef for various meals. I also picked up a 2-pound bag of the tilapia skinless, boneless fillets. And a large pack of chicken breasts. There is, I believe, 7 pieces in here. And I got this for $13.85. And this will feed us 3 separate meals. I love buying large packs of meat like this and divvying them up. And I'm going to do that after I film this and get everything put away. I'm splitting this up. So it'll be like buffalo ranch chicken, chicken sandwiches, just chicken in general. So 3 meals for $13.85 for 3 people. Not bad at all. That has been my Walmart haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to check in the description box for additional links, as well as the cards for an In the Kitchen playlist. Stay tuned for an In the Kitchen meatball sub recipe. And I thank you guys so very much for watching.